This is a render image. This is the same image rendered with the alpha channel active, a render layer. What is it used for? To modify in post-production details of the final render, such as the sky. This is also a render layer, starting with this image render. This is the post-production. But so is this one, with attached file result. How to do all this in Twinmotion? I'm the Twinmotion guru. Let's get started. Select from the scene menu any object or group of objects that you intend to render with the alpha channel active. Open the Properties menu and assign a layer ID, up to a maximum of 5 different layers. If you wanted to export multiple elements of the same type with the alpha channel active, I suggest you group them in a container and assign them in a single layer. When exporting the final render, in the image details in PNG format, you can choose which layers to render in white tones. The sky is always present by default and does not need to have any layers assigned to it. I recommend you to create the final image with Lumen Engine or Path Tracer, without the layers active, as these weigh down the final calculation considerably. To speed up the process, duplicate the final media, set the start down engine and, when exporting, activate as many layers as you want. The render layers have been generated and are ready to be edited in a graphic program like Photoshop. Taking advantage of the white of the render alpha, I delete the sky from the render image in Lumen or Path Tracer, and at this point I insert the background I prefer. In addition to this, rendering with layers also allows you to improve the graphic quality of many 3D models, such as people, which do not render very realistically. All this using AI-based website, such as Krea AI. I then export the layer of a single 3D model, isolate it from the context, save it as a JPEG, import it into Krea, activate the Enhance button, download the result, and replace it in Photoshop with the initial 3D model. Render layers also allow you to create photo matching with relative simplicity. Assign a single layer to your entire project, create an image that is oriented similarly to the photo of which you want to perform the photo matching, export the renderings, and at this point, in a software like Photoshop, overlay the created render with the real image. I show you with videos the last great potential of render layers. With the same principle I described before, I export the same video render either with the Lumen Engine without the active layers, or with the standard engine, with the sky layer active, but being careful to export the PNG format, so as to generate a sequence of images. I import all the media to a video editing software, including a video of a sky downloaded from the web, use a trace mask effect to the main video and delete the sky so I can insert the one downloaded from the web. And that's it, so subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future content, like the video to help me with the algorithm, and advise me in the comments what topics you would like me to explore in the next video. That said, I wish you a good day or evening and see you in the next video. Ciao!